Well, on this clip, you'll see me driving, and I'm doing the speed limit. I'm not going too slow. It was a 60-mile-an-hour road. I'm doing about 55, 57. I'm not doing anything like 30 or 25 miles an hour. And this Pratt decides to just overtake for no apparent reason whatsoever other than the fact like he wants to speed. And he doesn't get anywhere. He doesn't get anywhere any faster at all. Totally pointless overtake. I don't know why drivers do this. If anybody out there can let us know, tell me why. Why do you do this? Because as you can see in the video, didn't get any further at all, did he?
I'm really looking forward to the Sound of Music.
Oh, okay, nice. Yeah. Growing up, she was like, you'd look at people's birthdays when you were a kid, you shared your birthday. Yeah. And it was her and Walter Matthau. Oh, really? It was always the ones I used to see all the time.
Joan Collins was mine.
Was it really?
Well, that's convenient. Yeah, it's actually a good point, Rufus. It's very convenient.
I said when I was a kid.
Share a birthday with, so you know.
What the hell was the point of overtaking? You absolute sausage. Seriously. Honest to God, like.